Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to some more new video here on the Sap Crazy YouTube channel. We are on the 405 southbound, headed towards West LA, trying to make our way into work this morning. Traffic is going to start building here shortly, and we're going to probably have to get into lane splitting mode. So here we are, making our way over to the carpool lane. Pretty chilly out this morning, but we'll be brave, keep on going. Oh, I forgot to zip up my vest. Oh darn. Carpool lane, also got the vest zipped up because we are talented. Gonna get ourselves into lane splitting mode here and look out for the infamous carpool lane jumper. Those folks who have no regard for this solid double yellow and solid white line combination. Those carpool lane jumpers are folks that will go in or out of the carpool lane regardless of the lane marking, because I don't know why really, but they do it. Sure she saw me. Then she ignored the fact that I'm sitting right there next to her and doesn't want to give me any extra room. What a brat. There's a glorious carpool lane jumper cutting over the line at about a 45-degree angle. You see the line? Does the line mean nothing to you? The line you just crossed means nothing, huh? Idiot. Picking up her phone like she's gonna do something. What are you gonna do with your phone? Take my picture? Go ahead, take my picture. Got you on YouTube. You're gonna go straight up on the internet and you're gonna be famous, idiot. Bozos. That's what really gets me. I mean, these people, they go, huh? Like, oh, I don't know, what did I do? You know what you did. Does the line mean nothing? Obviously, it doesn't mean a thing. Because people just cross. I'm Sap Crazy. Thanks for watching.